Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to create an Envato account. Alright, so first up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser, and then the URL box, just go ahead and type down elements.envato.com. Alright, again, elements.envato.com, and then just hit on enter. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, you'll have at the top right a profile icon. And sometimes there'll be a pop-up right here at the very top that says sign in with your current Google account. If not, just click on the profile icon, just like so, and you can just easily continue with Google, continue with Apple, or even Facebook right here. But if you do have any other emailing service, you can just go ahead and click on create an Envato account right here at the very bottom. So just go ahead and click on it, continue with email right here, type down your email, and it's going to need a password. So just go ahead and enter a password. If not, you just easily use, again, a Google, Facebook, or Apple right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue with Google, just like so. And then I'm just going to go ahead and select one of my Google accounts. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, you're good to go. That's just how easy it is to create an Envato account. If you want to know how to create a seller account on Envato, well, you can just go ahead and check our channel out. We have a separate video for that. And again, that is how you create an Envato account. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.